why I knew to buy altcoins a few weeks ago, and then why did I unload them, and why have I been short Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Welcome back to Library of Wealth. Today we have Gareth Soloway sharing his insights into his investment strategies, including buying and unloading coins, shorting Bitcoin and Ethereum, and profiting from the volatility in the cryptocurrency market. He highlights the importance of chart analysis, such as the breakout and pullback patterns in the Bitcoin dominance chart, to anticipate market movements. Soloway discusses Matic and Cardano, emphasizing their potential for bounce-backs after oversold conditions. He also shares successful short trades, including Solana, where he accurately identified resistance levels and capitalized on the subsequent price drops. Furthermore, Soloway emphasizes the importance of confirmation signals and cautions against jumping the gun in reacting to market breakouts. He emphasizes the data-driven approach to trading, focusing on chart patterns and crypto market dynamics rather than emotions, and highlights the profitability of his trades, including a high win rate in a bear market. Let's get right into the latest interview with Gareth Soloway as he gives his prediction for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in 2023. Don't forget to share your thoughts and comments down below, and leave a like if you enjoy the content we do here.
I think you guys will find this fascinating, and this is why we made money on the altcoin pop off of the Ripple news and are now making money on the short side in things like Ethereum, and we even shorted Solana on the pop and made a big chunk of change in 24 hours, over 14% on Solana. So what I'm going to do right now, folks, is we're going to jump into the chart. So this was why I was long alt. Number one, Bitcoin dominance chart, BTC.D. You had a breakout, right? Every time historically you break out on Bitcoin dominance, you have a retrace and consolidation. So again, if we just even go back here, like let's just go back to all the way back here, right? You can clearly see, all right, here, right? Push up, consolidation, new high, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, right? So see how the consolidation is down, is a pullback, right? Pullback, all right? Now, if we go even to recent history, let's just go back to this move up. Break up, pullback, break up, pullback, break up, consolidation, pullback, breakout. All right, so what does this imply? Well, what we can see very clearly here is if you look at the distance from this low to this high, it's about a 5% move. If you look at the low from this to this, that's about a 5% move. So what did we do here? We went from 47% to 52%. That's a 5% move. So what did this mean? This meant that Bitcoin dominance would pull back, meaning alts would likely bounce. Now, if we turn over to some altcoins, like let's take a look at Matic, right? If we see this, we know that Polygon had gotten crushed and it was kind of oversold. In fact, if you think about the market psychology of investors, they were all on the Bitcoin trade when Matic and the rest of the alts were down because the SEC was coming for them. So essentially, there were no bulls left in the altcoins, which makes me bullish. And then on the other side of the coin, I'm skeptical of things like Ethereum and Bitcoin because they've already run up and they're into resistance, right? So what happens? Take a look at this, guys. You can see the pop. And again, we sold Matic into this pop, netting a beautiful gain. And I think what's important to recognize is that I do a majority of longs. I do some shorts, but a majority of my trades since then have been longs. And I think I've had 3 losers out of something like 86 trades or 87 trades, right? So the win rate is about a 96% win rate. And most of them are long. So what does that mean? Well, it means in a bear market where things have been falling, I've been playing bounces off technical support. I do go short sometimes, of course. You know, that's just the nature of it. You need to take advantage on that side. But again, a good trader goes long and short and back and forth and just makes 100x the money of any long-term investor. So looking at the chart here on Matic, we can clearly see it was due for a bounce. It did, selling right into this resistance. That was key. Same thing with Cardano. If we look at Cardano, folks, look at this area right here. It was consolidating a wedge pattern, the breakout right there, and now the pullback. And now, folks, the beauty of it was, check this Solana chart out. The most recent trade, I just closed this out today for members. Solana broke above this level here, which is a huge level. If we go back here, look at this right here. It went right above here. We shorted it. I put out the short signal in Verified Investing Crypto, north of $30 at 30 and a quarter right here. I didn't get the high. Very hard to get the high on these things, folks. Very, very hard. But then today we got out of it below 26 bucks. a huge win right there. Easy 14+% in a matter of 24 hours. Now, again, the other thing I did was I had a small short position in Ethereum, and I actually utilized adding to that position, right? So again, if we look here, went right up to my add level and look at the retrace. We're now in the money nicely on this short here on Ethereum. And I've been short Bitcoin for a little while it's been in this range, okay? But again, if we just type that in here and get that for us, take a look at the drop here. A lot of people thought this was a breakout yesterday, folks. If you've been listening, if you have ears, you have heard me every time say you need to break above 31,000, you need to close above, you need to confirm, and you need to stay there for 5 days. And again, yesterday it closed above 31,000, didn't even confirm. And what happens today? That's how institutions get you to fake out. That's how institutions get you on the wrong side. And think about yesterday. If you were on crypto Twitter, everyone was like, oh, it's a breakout, a breakout, breakout. In my head, I'm like, oh my God, these people, no wonder they lose money, because they don't know the confirmation signal. They don't know when it's a confirmed breakout versus a fake out. Now, could this eventually break out and confirm and start to move higher? Yes, but you have to let the charts tell you. When you jump the gun, you get the rug pull. The rug pull happens, right? People going long yesterday and then look at today. Oops, right back down. Now, on the negative side, if you close back below this level here and confirm to the downside, guess where you're headed? You're headed all the way back to 26,000. So lots to go over here, guys. I can't stress it enough. I mean, this is what it's all about. I don't give a frankly, if it's a long or short market, if it's up or down crypto action, there are trades to be had, and we'll just keep trading it. That's what we do. We look at the charts. We let the charts dictate. It's the data, not the emotion.
Over the past 4 weeks, digital asset investment products have experienced significant inflows, reaching a total of $742 million, with the most recent week seeing $137 million invested in products managed by major cryptocurrency fund providers like CoinShares, 21 Shares, and ProShares. The majority of these inflows, accounting for 99% of the market, are directed towards Bitcoin products. In contrast, Ethereum products received a modest $31.1 million in inflows, representing less than 2% of Bitcoin's volumes. Ethereum has actually seen the largest net outflows of any cryptocurrency investment product this year, totaling $74 million. Other cryptocurrencies like Solana, Ripple, Cardano, and Polygon have seen single-digit inflows. The surge in Bitcoin inflows coincides with the bullish performance of Bitcoin spot prices over the past month. Notably, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, filed for a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund with US regulators, leading to a positive sentiment and potential approval in the future, despite the initial rejection by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. What do you think about Gareth Soloway's recent prediction for Bitcoin? And how might the performance of altcoins like Matic and Solana impact the cryptocurrency market? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like this. We'll see you in the next video.